Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix image not working in your HTML file. As we can see, if we come over into our Visual Studio Code, and in here you can see we added an image source attribute and then we added this image name. So after that, if you look at into our live server, that it's not working and the image is broken. So how are you going to fix this problem? It's very simple. First, you need to check the name is properly or not. So if I just come over into this picture, and as you can see, its name looks like this. So for that, you can simply click on the right mouse button, then go for rename option, and you can simply copy the whole name. You can simply save it, and then you can simply paste it over here like this. After, you can save it and close the image tag, and then you can simply save it. After, you can simply go for your website, and now you can see the image is rightly showing. You can see this problem is occurred most of the time to not put the correct name. Also, there will be some of location problems. So for that, you just need to find out where you put this image. So as we can say, rightly put it into my HTML folder, and from here, if you didn't get after you given the proper name, then you can simply copy this location over here. You can simply copy it, and then you can simply paste it into here like this. And after, you can simply give a slash, and then you can type the picture name. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.